Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be braiding my hair. So this is my current hair length, and I am going to attempt to do braids, like knotless braids. I don't know if I can even call them knotless because there's going to be knots, but I'm going to try and make them look as knotless as possible. So the way I'm going to braid this is I'm going to start by doing like smaller braids at the beginning and then braid over those braids. So I will show you guys how. And I am using expression braiding hair in color number 4. I did cut it in the middle because it's very long, and I've already pulled the ends to make them look nice and seamless. I also cut out some of it very short. This is what's gonna be at the beginning of the braid, so it's gonna be like an extension of my hair in a way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the first line, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it's looking. So this is how the little braids are looking on the first row. So now I'm done with braiding the first row. I'm gonna show you how they're looking. So I am going for like a smaller sized braids. So this is how they're looking. The first two are kind of like the smallest compared to the other ones, but I was still trying to figure out my ratio. But yeah, this is how they're looking. Can't really tell the difference though, but this is how they're looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue maybe like 2 or 3 more rows, and then I will come and update you guys. But I'm just going to be doing the same thing, starting with the little braids and then braid on top of the little braids. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and continue maybe like 2 or 3 more rows, and then I will come and update you guys. And here's how it's looking now. I've added 3 more rows. Unfortunately, my mic wasn't on here, so this is how it's looking. So I am back. It's the next morning today. I did push a lot last night. Like, this is how far I've gone. And all of this is just one pack of braiding hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the second pack. I just finished this side, and I'm left with this piece here in the front, which I'm gonna do with you guys. Like I explained earlier in the beginning, I am doing like little braids and then braid on top of them. I'll try to explain again as much as I can, but it's basically just doing like the little braids and use those as my hair if my hair was longer, and just continue to feed in using the feeding method as like doing normal knotless braids. So they are really pretty. They're really lightweight, exactly as I wanted. And I'm also trying not to pull my edges. You will see when I do this side, I try to push them forward. I don't really have lots. So starting by parting my hair in a really clean part, because with these braids, what I've noticed is that parting is really important. And to make my parts look even cleaner, I'm using this ISO Plus Edge Gel. Really nice product. It's like an edge control. And then after that, I go ahead and section my hair into how many braids I want, and then grabbing the little short hairs, and then I start braiding my hair into like a normal 3-strand braid, and just make sure it's secured. And I continue to braid past my hair, a little bit past my hair. And then as you can see, I'm also trying not to grab my edges. Like I said, I don't want to lose more. I don't have much. Continue braiding my little short braids. These are very small. I don't use a lot of hair on these ones. And then I go ahead and start grabbing the longer hair for the actual braids. And I am feeding in about 3 strands of hair. So the first one is the one that is anchoring onto the little braid. And then I continue to feed 2 more times. So in total, it's like 3. So this can also like help you determine the density that you want for your braids, whether you want them thicker or small. This is where you can decide whether you want to feed more or you want to feed less or you want to feed more hair, like thicker hair. But anyways, I'm just continue braiding until I get to the end, and I just continue doing the same thing until I'm done with my hair. So you guys can just sit and relax and watch me braid my hair.
Oh, okay, stop. Run out the street to a penthouse. Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah,
talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. No cure anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LQK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Wraith. Swap it. Practice, 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 make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never, never, never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sipping on toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this grave. Mask on the face, Jason. Watch it, that's how we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. No cut, street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yeah. They can talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mom still say what he wants to. He's still red like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beats. To sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta purchase to launch. So fuck being tame, they'd rather be wild. Bitches is brandy, they wanna be down. Soon as these bitches got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us you, I'll hate me, bitch. Read my problems, nigga, suck my dick. That token, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, don't get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitches is mad, bitches is trash. Ask her the grouch. Seeing me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Bitch, not from the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some numbers with me in the fridge, get cold seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she singing 3D. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat, I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color thugs in my infinity link, and in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of sun. Carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Buy it all, fuck a front up. Nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gone, chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take the revive to the tropics. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick. Nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the party. We get it. Bitch, it gon' trend on the top. He trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank and get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. Don't take. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun of sun. Carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Buy it all, fuck a front up. Nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gone, chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot.
to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm happy with my women, I'm beside it. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, 'cause I had no idea. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. So let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like a bit too much. I feel like a bit too much. But yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all y'all. Since you been gone, I've been just okay. I know you mad, you didn't see it my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come here and take your place. Couldn't keep my love too excited. Want a paper plane out the wire. Wonder why your girl always smiling.
Just hung up the phone at night. I meant to tell that you come here home intoxicated. So you better take your time for me. So I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you felt restless. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. I'm so crazy, babe. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. For me, since you coming home intoxicated. For me, I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky. Up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. Baby, please, please. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you coming home intoxicated. Picture me rolling through downtown in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me caring with niggas saying on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts to what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back when okay, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved off me. All the people niggas who just started to move bossy. Maybe I just handled you too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your whole heart wasn't in it, I know a piece of it was. Most of that pic you sent me, it wasn't recent enough. How I'm supposed to write for you, not Aisha enough. You love getting teed up, love showing the cake, you know that they eat it up. Love touching the road as soon as it's heated teaming up. Telling you better off leaving me in the dust.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her.
So I am back now with my hair done, and this is how everything is looking. And I did put them in hot water, so now they're actually a little bit lighter, and this is how they're looking. I'm gonna turn and show you the back. So this is how everything is looking, and they are a little bit on the longer, not too long, they're like up to my waist, but they're perfect. I love them. They are very secured. I hope this will last me like at least a month. And hair wise, I'm left with like a quarter of 2 packets. So if you want to achieve this kind of look and density, you might just want to buy like 2 packs. But anyways, this is the final look. Absolutely love them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.